Road Dog Crypto. Today we're looking at Bob, an AI meme coin. And I want to give a shout out to Sergeant Bitcoin who requested this on Twitter. Now Bob is currently trading at 0. A bunch of zeros, and then 2231. It's actually 0.0000 zeros, 2231. And the best of my recollection of 4th grade math, that would put us about 0.02 of a penny per Bob. Now, Bob currently has a market cap of 15 million, which is relatively still kind of low. 24-hour trading is about 10 million, so a lot of interest in Bob. Now, the maximum supply, the total supply, and the self-reported circulating supply here at CoinMarketCap tells us that it is 690 billion. So all the coins by this metric are out there in circulation. All-time high for Bob was just 25 days ago when Bob reached 0.00219. And since then, we've dropped approximately about 90%. All-time low was about a month ago, April 21st, when Bob was a bunch of zeros in 1414. And for you guys that are not very familiar with this coin, well, join the club. Seems like everyone loves Bob. Bob is a meme. And Elon says he loves Bob as well. Bob must be very lovable. And you can find the contract here on the website, also on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. And when I can find a contract like this on the coin that I'm not very familiar with, I like to copy that and take it over to Token Sniffer. So let's go see what Tony Token Sniffer has to say about it. Hey, how you guys doing? Hey, it's Tony the Token Sniffer over here. I took the contract address, I put it into Token Sniffer and see what we got here. We got a score of 80, which you know, it's not bad. Okay, 8 out of 10, not bad. So, I'm looking at it and it looks okay. I might take a risk on this or something, If it has 0, I wouldn't touch it with that 10-foot pole, but it's got 80, I'd touch it with an 8-foot pole. You see what I'm saying? Back to you, Road Dog. Well, all right, Tommy, thanks for that. Let's take a look at the charts. Now, not much information because this token has not been out very long, probably about a month or so. I'm on the 4-hour here chart, and we can see what it's done over the past week. Reminds me a lot of a crashing airplane. So you can see that price was in a rising channel, and if you zoom out, you may even consider that to be a bear flag. Well, here's the cool thing. If we go to this top wick, bring it back straight down to the top of the channel, we get a measured move there from our top wick, bring it to the breakout point, and we can see that we are at that measured move level, which is coming in at 0.00002289. Current price is 0.00002246. So that is one sign that we could be at a bottom area. Also, if I take a Fibonacci from the swing high down to this swing low right here, drag that over here, I have 2 areas right here for Fibonacci that usually indicate a bottom signal. And that's a negative 0.27 and the negative 414. The negative 27 found some support there, but then fell through to the negative 414. And a lot of times I'll see that with these Fibonacci areas. If these levels do not hold, you can expect it to come down to this negative 618 area of about 0.00001326. I think I said the right number of zeros. 4 of them, right? After the decimal. So that's the scenario that we're looking at overall here. Now, I want to also give you another target for confidence. If we take a Fibonacci retracement and we go from the swing low to the swing high right there, carry that over to the side. Now our 1.272 area is also giving us a little confluence for the zone that we just mentioned, and that was the 0.0000136 area on up to about 0.00001618. So if this level does not hold, that's the area that I would target to possibly consider taking along. You want to look and make sure that we are actually getting a reversal there. But there are some signs on the smaller time frames that our current area may be a bottom. So let's take a look at that idea. I want to bring up my indicators here on the 4-hour. When we bring up the market cipher indicator, I just want you to see that our stochastics have bounced off the bottom. They are headed to the upside. There is a green dot here on the momentum wave, and that's promising, but money flow is still taken to the downside. On the plus side, this little sliver of VWAP is in the positive, so it looks like we could be getting a little swing here. Now, if we come down to the 1-hour, this is where it's starting to get a little bit interesting right now. Now, as you can see, going from candle body to candle body, the price action is going down. However, on our RSI right here, it's going up. That is giving us bullish divergence, saying that this could catch and we will get a leg to the upside. Now, in the short term, you could take this trade and just come right up to this first target area right here at 0.000026, and that would be about a 20% return, right? But ultimately, what I'm expecting here is a breakout of a falling wedge on this 1 hour, and it looks like we are positioned more than likely to do that. We can see that price has recovered the 9 moving average. Do need to see another 1 hour candle close above that, and that will give us a little steam to at least rise up to this 21 at 0.000024. And then from there, we can slowly work our way up. Price can come up there. It can come back to this area, do a retest before actually meeting our first target. Now I'm just going to come back to the 4 hour, and you can say that we are in a falling channel, and that also has about a 64 to 68% chance to break to the upside. So what this means basically is that this one has a chance to bottom out. Now, it doesn't mean that it's just going to go straight up. We could see it do a lot of things through here. We could see it go sideways. We could see it establish a bottom here before it actually starts going to the upside. So not saying at all that this is going to be a quick trade, especially with money flow coming to the downside, but it does have some signs that it wants to do something, and it does have that bullish divergence on the 1 hour. Now, the target zones that I do have for this, especially for short-term traders, would be in this area, which comes into some Fibonacci areas. So the first target that I would have would be 0.000514. Getting in, say, about where price is now, taking it up to that level would be 133% return on your investment. Getting up to the top area, which would be right at here at 0.00006005 area, 175% return on your investment. Not bad. It's just going to take a little patience before we can finally see that. But we do want to confirm that we are switching trend, that we are getting a bounce here at this particular possible local bottom. A more conservative view would be to wait for a breakout of this trend line by the retest and then jump in. However, a lot of you degens are probably like me, and you like to buy the bottom of these patterns when it touches those bottom trend lines, and I can't fault you for that. Just make sure that, especially if you are trading leverage, keep very tight stop losses, and you should be able to play this very safely. If you found this information helpful, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe below. You want to see a coin? Throw it my way. Let's take a look at it, chart it, tear it down, see if it's got some potential there. And until next time, my name is Lane, your Crypto Road Dog, reminding you, you got this, baby.
Hey, buddy, why don't you and me, we have a little talk about the like button down here? I hit it. I think you should hit it too. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Welcome to the family.